Girl did that. Girl did that.
Trade with the Dre's. Come on, trade with the Dre's. Come on, trade with the Dre's. Come on, trade with the Dre's. Now everybody now. 5 in the morning, I wake up.
You went from the south, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
Hey y'all, it's Barbie for you back with another video, and as you can tell by the title, I will be doing a birthday trip vlog, y'all. I'm currently at the Atlanta airport to head to Puerto Rico, y'all. A girl is excited. I'm finna get something to eat. Everything went smooth by checking in. I'm about to just explore, get some food, cause my flight take off at 2 o'clock and it's 11 o'clock. Look at my food, y'all. You like them? I like them. I'm gonna get back with y'all as soon as we get to our gate.
Train is stopping. Please collect your belongings and watch your step as you exit.
Alright y'all, so we made it. Our flight don't take off till 2 o'clock on the dot. I'm gonna be back.
All in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't want to leave.
Alright y'all, so we made it to the destination, y'all. We in Puerto Rico, so I guess we're getting drunk. I'm just planning on a drink. It's been bittersweet so far. We put us up on time. We landed on time. Just look at my nails. I've been getting so many compliments on these nails every day. Turn around, your nails cute. Turn around, your nails cute. Like, thanks, babe. We in our hotel room. It looks really, really good. Everything about this is so cute. It's so cute. I'm gonna make this video an hour long. Yeah. Big 20 tomorrow. Y'all better wish me happy birthday in the comments when y'all see this, okay? Okay, I'm just really excited because this is my first trip and everything has been going so good so far. Marble floor, everything's just been going. I'm excited. I'm excited. I work my ass off. I really do. My first plane ride was good. Everything was good. A 10 out of 10. Really excited. I ain't the only one that be having to do this. This sweatshirt is big as y'all. Let me show y'all my dance.
Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests. And I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna let you.
See, I was gonna go to this restaurant and like get dressed, put on a little something. You know what I'm talking about? We in Puerto Rico, we finna get lit. Period. My sister braided my hair. I wish she was here, I really do. Okay? So many people ask me if I've been vlogging for this trip. And y'all know I have. I'm gonna give y'all a room tour, but how I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna just do room by room. I'm not gonna say too much, I'm gonna just let y'all watch. Well, let's get into it. When y'all walk in, clearly there's a door right here. But turn to your left. Look at this view of this amazing bedroom. What y'all rated? This is the best hotel I've ever been to. Look at the aesthetic. Look at it, y'all. Cute, right? And of course, we got a flat screen TV. We have this velvet sofa with the pillows to match with the chandelier. Turn right, we have the closet. Okay, we got a safe and whatnot. And we have matching robe. Look at this. This is nice. Glad I did not buy a robe. And we have the slippers. This is big. I'm gonna give y'all another view of the room before I move on.
Too sexy for this too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for the life, too sexy for that jack.
So that's enough of the bedroom. Let's move into the bathroom. We have these sliding doors. We have the tub. Do not play with it. Just look at it. Hey, girl. Then we move into the shower. Look how beautiful it is. Okay. Come in here. We got this little special room with the garden wall. We make our way back into the room. That's all that we have at the hotel room. That's all I have to show y'all. I don't know what we're about to go get into. I haven't been asleep for like 3 days now. Yeah, like 3 days now. I'm about to just get some rest, and I'm gonna get lit. My birthday is tomorrow, y'all. If I do, I will record. A suitcase over here. Sorry, this one wouldn't test me. Oh, that's my travel agent, y'all. If this wasn't for her, I wouldn't be here right now. Okay. I just love her. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna get dressed to take a shower. Yeah, right back. I made it to the first restaurant. Trying to find this restaurant because I don't see it nowhere. Somebody get on this elevator to see if it's upstairs or something. And we're gonna get back with y'all. We made it to the restaurant. Thank you. Some of these service restaurants. I'm mad we couldn't get the view over there, but it's still cool or whatever. Let me get back with y'all so we can get our food as soon as we order. Alright, y'all. Both ordered a daiquiri. Tell me why I am so mad right now. Everybody is dressed up but me. I got a Nike headband and a Nike sweatshirt. Like, what the everybody around me is dressed up. What was I thinking? I'm finna try this daiquiri. I'm finna write it for y'all. Got alcohol in it. Good though. Y'all. Our food came. We got the bacon stir with some daiquiris. We about to start eating, y'all, because they playing this music and I don't want to get copyrighted. So we just got done eating. About to head to Walmart because I have eaten. So it's pretty soon. We went on my Uber now. Ooh, I give it a 5 out of 10. It wasn't really bad. Hopefully tomorrow, whatever we do decide to go, hopefully their food is better than what we ate tonight. Let me show y'all something. These people charge for bags. It's crazy. Alright, y'all, we just got back from Walmart. I don't think I'm gonna ever go back to their Walmart. They don't have that many options. No chips, nothing. I'm gonna be starving myself to sleep. This is gonna be it for tonight, y'all. Tomorrow, we're gonna be up at around like 9 o'clock for brunch. After brunch, we're doing horseback riding on the beach. After that, we're gonna go to STK to celebrate my 20th birthday. Turn 20, y'all. I'm gonna get in the shower. I'll catch y'all later in a little bit. I got the shower running. Y'all, I'm about to get in here. Look at my nails. I've been getting compliments for these all freaking day. My birthday is at 12 o'clock. I'm happy and I'm ready. I'm gonna just put it on my roll. Sit that down. I'm gonna get back with y'all as soon as I get out the shower. I'm gonna show y'all my skincare routine. Look what time it is. Alright, well really it is 11:59. My birthday is really now. I'm excited. I don't know how I feel. I just feel like time just going by so fast. I just turned 19 last year. Brushed my teeth. I just came back from the restaurant. That food is okay. It's not all that.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body is
sometimes I use the soap, that's it. I just let it air dry or whatever. And then I just use this as well to the 3 drops. I'm all good to go. This is me, my little skincare routine. That's all I use. I'm gonna go go to bed. Catch y'all back up in the morning. Y'all later, right, babes? Hey y'all, it's a new day. It's my birthday. I wash my face, I brush my teeth. This is the outfit for today with my Gucci slides. I'm gonna do something to my hair. I'm gonna set y'all up real quick. Agenda for today is horseback riding at 9, ATV riding at 3. I guess what I'm gonna do is put some water on this to make it come match to the line. So that's how it is. We were trying to go get breakfast, but we ran out of time because we gotta go to horseback riding at 9 o'clock. So I guess when we get done with that, we're gonna come right back here. So this is my outfit. I don't think I already showed y'all. I'm about to run inside real fast, put these shoes up. I'll be back as soon as we get in up. Alright y'all, we made it to the beach horseback riding. She's really out the zone lately. I don't think I'm there to bring my camera. I'm gonna just record on my phone. This is the fit and I got on so. I'm gonna get back with y'all as soon as they call us up. Yep. Yeah, girl. So cute. He's scared, y'all. She's gonna see this thing. Hey, y'all. Made it to the race area. Checking back in. The views is giving. Just want to check in, y'all. Birthday trip. It's been good so far. Just want to check in, y'all. I hope y'all love it. Bye. Alright, y'all. So we made it to the ATV riding channel. I'm about to go check in. I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Y'all, look at my face. Not the 10 out of 10. Look at these shoes. So I ain't kidding. I gotta go wash my hair. We got an reservation at entertainment. Y'all liking this video so far? Give a thumbs up. Yeah, more. I thought my Uber was gonna be here less than 5 minutes. It's gonna take him 22 minutes to get here. I'm gonna just head out the front and sit down and wait till my Uber get here. But how's y'all day going so far? Mine is going great. Okay, I hope y'all liking this vlog so far. Look how dirty I am. The trip so far is good. Lord, my camera had the vlog on my phone camera. I'm not bringing my real camera anywhere. Check the outfit, dirty. I just want to get on here to update all of y'all, the ones that's watching this video. ATV went really well. I'm gonna catch y'all later as soon as I get to the hotel. Hey y'all, I'm back from ATV riding. I'm sorry for the camera footage change. I know I was filming on my phone, but now I'm back on my camera. Anywho, I just got the shower. I'm gonna wash my face. As you can tell, on those videos that I had took, I was dirty. Sorry for the headband. Gotta wash my edges too. Yeah, I was really just on here to talk to y'all. I'm gonna talk to y'all. So far, loving my stay. I'm I'm enjoying every last moment and on vacation. I'm super thankful being able to experience being here in Puerto Rico for my birthday, and I cannot wait for many more trips. I advise every last one of y'all to please book a trip. Whether it's your birthday, you celebrate for a friend, something, book that trip. You in that trip, you in that mode. You're not worried about nothing. You deserve to be on an island, whether it's an island, beach, anywhere. I just feel like book that trip, baby. Life is too short. Book that trip, because it's not gonna hurt you. It's not gonna hurt you. Well, I don't know what some of y'all pockets maybe, but I'm just saying, save up, stack with the rule, and book that trip. I know this is my first trip and everything. I want to do more of this in the future. I want to be able to live financially free and travel for the rest of my life. I enjoy this lifestyle I'm living. So yeah, I wash my hair because all that dirt was on my hair. I wash my face, brush my teeth. I'm gonna try to like find something to wear. I have this dress, but I don't really like it. It's not giving birthday. I don't have anything in here that's giving birthday. I should have thought this better. I know what I was thinking. I should have thought this better. Okay, brush my teeth once together. Let me give y'all a review on this. Do not believe half of the shit y'all see on TikTok, because when I'm speaking for myself. I bought this from Target. It was breaking out the first day I put this on my face. That's why I don't even put sunscreen nowhere. The only thing that y'all will see me put on my face, cold water and Dove soap. I don't use nothing else besides them two. All the other that I use, my face break out, and once I stop using those products, my face go back to normal. I don't know if I'm the only person with these problems. I feel like my body is real sensitive. I got my legs waxed the other day. When I tell y'all, my legs like some mosquitoes bit me. They look big the I feel like I'm talking y'all head off. With that being said, I'm gonna me some out this suitcase. So I got something. I'm gonna put some of my stuff out on the sofa. I'm gonna show y'all. This is the outfit for the night. I have this romper on with my hurt bag. Everyone do not play. I have these sunglasses to top it off. My Tory Burch slides. We're a little late, even though they gave us a 15-minute grace period. But I just had on that one. I'm gonna get back with y'all when we get to the restaurant. Hey y'all, it's gonna be real quick. They playing live music. I'm gonna come back to y'all as soon as I get back to the hotel. Okay, thank you. I don't know what she got. I got steak. I got macaroni and cheese and my cocktail. Start eating. Look at my plate. I cleaned up out this. This was a 10 out of 10. This was a 10 out of 10. Would you rate your food? A 10 out of 10. Hey y'all, it's a new day. Saturday. This is it for today. I got on this swimsuit looking little thing. What you call these? Hold on, I got a brain fart. Cover up, gold accessory. I just made cheek slide. I'm gonna like put some kind of try. It is layer 3. Get some more. How am I gonna do it? Damn, I should have waited for my jewelry on. It's all good. Y'all see a little frizziness. It's gonna be okay. People supposed to come here and clean up. All right, I'll be right back. Made it out on the rooftop of our hotel. We're currently at this restaurant to get breakfast. Right, it is 11:38. I'm wearing this outfit to mix with pink, hot pink sunglasses, my hot pink accessories. I'm here to update you all. Hope y'all like this so far. I'm enjoying this birthday vlog. I am gonna do it in a little bit. We'll be coming back to our hotel restaurant tonight. If it did some rain, it really jet ski, but then, because I thought it was just raining in the morning time. It should be good. I'll be right back with my food. So our food came. We both got pancakes with blueberries and bacon. But this is here. Just to get the view. I'm gonna get back on here as soon as we figure out what we want to do next. Hey y'all, currently at this drink place. We both ordered pineapple daiquiri. Today's been like a chill day. We've been sleep all day. We're gonna be ass. I told her I'm not gonna shoot. Boy, I ain't sleep. It didn't want to get mad when I went up. We gotta go to the beach. We just got done drinking our pineapple drinks. We're about to just head back to the hotel. Got a reservation set at 8:30. Hope y'all liking it so far. I hope I'm on y'all a lot around Puerto Rico. Just in case if y'all was interested to come out here. I don't mind giving y'all my itinerary. A girl, don't gatekeep. I'm gonna get back with y'all as soon as we get to the hotel. We're currently at the restaurant located in our hotel. We had ordered our food 30 minutes ago. We already about to eat. I ordered this shrimp pasta and she ordered some ribs. Let me show y'all what they look like. Tomorrow we're doing 2 activities. I was thinking about going back to Escape. That food. I'm gonna show y'all our food. Got shrimp pasta. We had some ribs with our lemonade. The hotel is the best hotel in Puerto Rico. See the views over here. Alright, let's look at the views. This was a 10 out of 10. We ate them fries up. The lemonade tastes like sparkling. If they would have just kept the sparkling out of there.
Yeah, they would love the sparkling out.
It's good, y'all. It is 6 something. We have reservation at 7:30 for this place. It's somewhere near us. I know I'm recording. We have Just Kids in the club. We have zip lining at 1:30. I'm about to get ready. We made it to our brunch restaurant. I have a bowl of fruit, some pancakes, potato, and some bacon. She has some French toast with bacon. Both got orange juice and a side of cup of water. And here's the view. Check it out, check it out, check it out. So pretty. I'm about to eat my food. I don't think I'm gonna be on here too long because I want to eat and eat.
Child, if you're curious. High volume, high volume, high volume. Serious. You say you're curious, so I'm just coming. Girl, just let me know what's need you. Girl, just let me know what's they won't know. I'm just coming. I told you, you better stay afraid of. You never thought the universe be looking for revenge. Okay. Every time to pay the bill, she always trying to beat me to put her card in here. I tab is $84. It's good though. We got all this stuff. Go ahead, bro. Some people on the reviews were saying it's pricey, but I think so. I'm gonna get a $10 too. I better not be in the comments saying that it is to me. I'm gonna get back with y'all as soon as we get to the jet ski activity. Stay tuned, y'all. I'm about to actually go jet ski riding. I don't have nothing on but this. I took my bralette off that matched this to put on my swimsuit. I'm gonna take these off when I get down there. That's what it look like. And we're about to go ahead and go. I'm gonna get back with y'all on my phone as soon as we get there, okay?
To go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro house. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Like, whoa, whoa. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy, well tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send them back to metro housing. Yeah. Too sexy for this too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for the life, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack.
Hey y'all, we just got the zip lining. It was the outfit. I'm about to head to the pool. About to do my hair real quick and put on a swimsuit. I'll be right back as I eat my food. They hot. Oh, I'm bloody. Oh. I'm gonna get back with y'all. Stay tuned. I was like, that's the biggest plan. Leave tomorrow at 6 o'clock. I'm so sad. You know when you get used to something, you get attached to it, and it's like this hope and a prayer. It just never go. It makes sense. I'm gonna style my hair, whatever. My legs, I'm gonna put on these babies. I'm pretty sure this video is like an hour now. I'm gonna give y'all an hour. Put it off. If you're new, better subscribe. Our free is about to go on so many trips. We're going on at least 2 more this time. You better subscribe. subscribe. Follow me on all my social media platforms. Okay, this is the outfit. You see, I got pee. It fell out my stomach somehow. I'm gonna do my edges while I talk to y'all. I might not do this, y'all. It's got like some pink on it. I don't know how the f this happened. I'm like, drink I wasted. I'm finna fix this right here. Y'all see I jumped in the water. My legs is still good. Shout out to my hairstylist. If it went for school, my grandmother or like my family down here, I would have been like, yo, this shit, pay my shit. Who knows what the future may hold? People just choosing when they want to look at you. I know I can't be the only one. You think you finna come in my life, you think you finna choose when, but not me, baby. I need, bye. I'm not doing that over here. They go for family too. Y'all know what really messed up my hair? Was fucking going AT ride on the second day. Look how I get a retouch. Okay. Girl did that. Girl did that. I did it. I do it like I jumped in the pool. Look like I jumped in the ocean. I'm gonna do my lips.
Let me dance for you. I'm sorry. Do wanna love me so, and I'm gone. This feeling's just for you and your wrongs. I'm just here to do my job.
Is you ready? Is you ready, baby? You seem ready. You seem ready, baby. Yeah. Girl, tonight I won't be so fast.
I'm gonna use these three places.
Girl, you taste so good. Loving, feel so numb. Grab me till I'm about to come. I said you are about to climb. XO, oh girl, don't be shy. Hey, shot is what I'm here for. I'm ready. I'm downtown.
If y'all hear me smash my bag, we at this place. You ordered pancakes, you got fried burger, I got bacon, I got side of toast. Orange juice is about done. Our flight take off at 6:45. My camera had went off. We at the restaurant. Start eating, y'all. I'm gonna get back as soon as I get back to the Alright, hey y'all, we're back from the pool. About to get in the shower, put on some fresh clothes. Our flight take off at 6 o'clock. We gotta check out the hotel at 2 o'clock, which is lame. I don't understand why check-in have to be late, but check-out is early. I just find it really weird. That's been like that with all the hotels I checked in at. I was gonna close out this video right now. I'm gonna just wait. We get to the airport. And I'm not getting back to Atlanta till 10:45, y'all. Almost 11 o'clock. Puerto Rico been bittersweet. It's been amazing. Y'all should come up here. If I need to give y'all my itinerary, I will. It's been so sweet. We did majority of everything that we planned on doing and wanted to do. If I like this video so far, give a thumbs up. If y'all want more videos like this, comment down below and I got you. Everything been peaceful and people here is really, really sweet. Keeping people are really, really sweet. Every time we came in, coming back from somewhere, our room be clean. It just been very, 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 very peaceful. What if we do? I might record, I might not. I'll come back here as soon as we get to the airport. Cute, right? I know. We finna go to the beach. We finna go get some drinks real quick. I'm gonna start. Get our drinks.
I can hear your tears when you drop over the phone. Get mad at myself cause I can't leave you alone. Got something messages that ain't what we doing. Yeah. Traveling around the world.
Alright, y'all, we made it to the souvenir shop. I think I'm gonna use towel for the beach. I don't know what else, but I'm gonna record what I do. I'm back drinking my pineapple. About to head back to the hotel to get our suitcases and head to the airport, y'all. I'm not gonna feel too much because I didn't charge my battery. I'll get back with y'all as soon as I get to the airport. Bye, y'all. Alright, y'all. I made it to the airport. I'm about to start editing this video. Get back as soon as I get the plane. Start boarding at 6:05 and it's currently 5:27. So I'm gonna start editing this right now.
You went from the south, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.